Welcome to this tutorial on works management in WAMIS. In this video, we will learn how to create, view, and approve main works in the works management system, commonly known as WMS. The WMS module facilitates the complete life cycle management of a work, starting from administrative approvals and sanctions to execution, monitoring, and reporting. To begin, navigate through the following path: WMS, then work and sub-work, and finally select work details. The work details module is used to create and manage main works. Every work begins with the creation of a main work record. It is important to note that a main work can have one or more sub-works associated with it. However, a sub-work cannot exist independently and must always be linked to a main work. On the Add screen, select New if you are registering a new work. If the work is already in progress and needs to be brought into the system, select Existing. The work registration number is generated automatically by the system after the work is saved. If required, enter the work number. Next, enter the work description as per the administrative approval document. This serves as the official name of the work and will be used as the primary reference throughout the system. Now select the work category. Depending on the nature of the work, users can choose categories such as regular, deposit, or construction machinery. Select the program type based on the nature of the project, such as construction, maintenance, or special repair including RRR. Next, select the appropriate work type, such as major, minor, and others. Select the district and scheme applicable to the work. If available, enter the work GIS code for location-based identification. Select the budget year and specify the current work status. If applicable, enter the project start date and project end date. Please note it is mandatory to add project start date in the main work if the work type was marked as new, or if the work category is construction. Users may also select an asset if the work is associated with an existing asset. For regular category works involving expenditure under deposit heads, enable the regular cum deposit option. For deposit category works, the deposit details section becomes available. In this section, select the deposit type, deposit percentage category, user office, and user department as applicable. Next, move to the account head section. For deposit works, the account head is automatically populated based on the selected deposit type. For regular works, users must manually select the appropriate head classification. Multiple account heads can be added if required. Now proceed to the office mapping section. Select the office level and corresponding office name. Mark the nodal office option as yes for the primary division office responsible for executing the work. If multiple offices are involved in the execution of the work, additional offices can be mapped after saving the work details. Ensure that only one division office is marked as the nodal office. After entering all mandatory details, click on Save to create the main work record. The system will successfully save the work details and generate a unique work registration number. Next, to enter administrative approval, details, navigate to the View tab and open the saved work in edit mode. Select the Approval tab. Click on Add button. Enter the approval number, approval office, approval date, approval amount, and any additional remarks. If the approval has been received from any other department, enable the outside department option and select the relevant department details. Once all approval information has been entered, click on the Approve button available in the Approval section. It is important to approve the administrative approval details before making further modifications to the work. Otherwise, the approval information may not be saved successfully. Next, the Work Balances section provides the facility to enter financial summary of the work, such as progressive expenditure, yearly expenditure. The Details section provides a consolidated overview of the work, including project mapping information and all associated sub-works. The expenditure section displays the expenditures incurred against the work on a month-wise and financial year-wise basis. Once all details have been entered, click on the Modify button. The system will successfully save the updated details. The View option allows users to search, monitor, and manage all works available in the system. Users can apply various search filters to locate specific works and perform actions such as edit, delete, approve, cancel, and close based on their access rights. To approve a main work, navigate to the View tab and locate the work pending for approval. Click on the tick icon available in the action column. If the main work is expected to have multiple sub-works, ensure that the sub-works applicable option is selected during approval. This is a critical step because the system will not allow multiple sub-works to be linked later unless this option is enabled during main work approval. After approval, the main work becomes active within the system. Additionally, WAMIS automatically creates an initial sub-work using the same title and description as the approved main work. In this tutorial, we learned how to create, view, and approve main works in WAMIS. Thank you for watching.